This is Casio AQ-800E. The battery is already dead, so now it's time to change to a new one. But there is one problem, we will talk about it later. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. First, I open the bracelet. This will help to make it easier to open the backplate. Slide the case opening knife between the case and the backplate carefully, then gently pry open the backplate. Do not force it too much, you can damage the case or even worse, hurt your finger. Now we can see the inside of the watch. The battery is located on the upper side. Here is the battery. Carefully pry open the battery cover using a sharp object. I am using a needle. Take out the battery. The battery code is SR920W. The problem is this battery model, SR920W, is very difficult to find. I'd say impossible in my area. I can only find SR920SW. It has the same size and voltage, but it has lower current rating. This means if the watch needs high current, for example when using the beeper or buzzer, the battery may get overloaded and drain faster. I have tried using the SR920SW on my AW49, and for about 2 months now, there has been no problem. So with this video I want to ask you, have you ever tried to use SR920SW to replace the SR920W in Casio watches? What was your experience? Please share in the comment section. Now time to install the new battery. Put it in carefully. Close the battery cover. Check the screen to confirm. Okay, it is running. And now do the AC reset. Next, I check the seal ring. It still looks good. No need to replace. I just re-oil it to ensure the water resistance. Now put the seal ring back. Make sure the orientation is correct. Then put back the back plate. Snap it carefully into place. And now check all the buttons. Actually, it is better to check the buttons before fully closing the back plate. Okay, all the buttons are working fine. Now adjust the time. First, set the digital time, and then adjust the analog time. And finally, install back the bracelet. And done. If you have tried using SR920SW instead of SR920W in your Casio watch, please let me know in the comments. What impact did you experience? Does it drain faster? Right now it works well, but I think I will avoid using the alarm to reduce battery drain. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.